morning stars, welcome back to my channel Seraphic Star Life. Thank you so much for all your love and support. It means a lot to me. Thank you so much for supporting me. And if you have just tuned into this channel for the first time, I welcome you on this flourishing, thriving and abundant channel energy. I am Dimple Sharma, the Seraphic Star, a tarot card reader, numerologist and a spiritual healer. You are watching birthday special series for people who have their birthdays today on 1st of August. Wishing a wonderful birthday to all who have their birthdays today on 1st of August. Do share it with your friends, family and loved ones and make their day little special with the guidance for the upcoming year. This is a timeless reading for everyone who have their birthdays today on 1st of August. So even if you're watching this video 3 months down the line, just know that you were meant to hear this message and the guidance. Now, as you know, before we check the card energies, we talk about your personality number. So let's quickly talk about your personality number and lucky crystals. Based on your date of birth, your personality number is 1 and the number 1 is ruled by Sun and the element is fire, which gives them a lot of masculine energies, and this also gives them the vibrations and attributes of new beginnings, creation, independence, uniqueness, motivation, always striving to look forward and progress in life. Also, I have seen a lot of number 1 people are very ambitious and have strong willpower. And one of the very common trait in the number 1 people is that they have good leadership skills. Number 1 energies encourages them to step out of their comfort zone and remind the people around them that we create our own reality with our thoughts, beliefs and actions. So they are somewhere good motivators in their life and they motivate people around them. Now, the lucky crystals for people who have their birthdays today. The lucky crystals are sunstone, peridot and carnelian. In the description box below, I have shared a website where you can look for your lucky crystals. Now, please note that this is a general guidance, and if you would like to know more about yourself, your destiny number, your friendly numbers and the missing numbers. The missing numbers because each number has a vibration and frequency and is very important in our life. So if you would like to know more about it, you can connect and take a personal numerology session. My Instagram handle is mentioned in the description box below. Now let's see what energy and the guidance the fairies have for your upcoming year. This is the birthday spread, and the first card here is the theme, or how is your next 6 months going to be like. The second card is representing the lessons that you need to learn or what are going to be your strengths for the upcoming year. The third card is going to be the ultimate potential for you. So now if we see here, the first card is the Prince of Autumn. So I feel some of you are thinking that in the upcoming 6 months you might feel like your plans are moving slow, and some of you would also feel very stable for the upcoming 6 months. But one thing I really want to share is that your present and future is way more beautiful than you think. You may need to stay focused on your goals right now. Remember, slow and steady wins the race, and that is what is needed most right now in your life. Okay, I know you have been waiting for long now and have gone through a lot and have done a lot of groundwork in your life, but there is still more work to do. You must stay committed to the work, relationship, business that needs to be done and stay on it until every last detail has been finished. Make sure you pay attention to every detail, stay organized and practical in your approach, be it towards your work, relationship or business. This card is an action-oriented card, and the Prince of Autumn here takes practical steps towards his goals. That is what is the guidance for you for the upcoming 6 months. This is not the time for you to take big leaps. Instead, small steps might be the way towards the finish line. Focus on long-term security and invest wisely and conservatively. Guidance is to look to the future with hope and optimism, and I do see happy changes bringing relief from the challenging times. Now, the second card, the beautiful card, the Ace of Summer. which in tarot is also called the number ones. The aces are called the number one, and they represent beautiful new beginnings, new energies, creativity, intuition, and most importantly, emotional fulfillment. The learning and advice for you, all my stars, here is to learn. First, you need to learn to open your heart to love. So you need to love yourself in order to receive the love in your life, or that emotional fulfillment. This could be related to any area of your life. Could be your work, business, yourself, your relationships, anything. So you need to first love yourself. Whatever you are doing, love it. And definitely this card is showing me new beginnings, and also you need to really believe in yourself and your worthiness to be loved, to be successful, to be blessed. I strongly feel you all are going to have an interesting year ahead. Definitely, I do see, because the ace of summer, this is all about emotions, and when we are emotionally fulfilled, everything gets beautiful automatically for us in life, right? So just stay positive. Do not worry about the upcoming 6 months. Yes, they are going to be a little slow and steady, but like I said, that the slow and steady wins the race. So just stay focused, make sure that you pay attention to the details, and around February end or March, you are definitely going to see some changes in your life. Definitely, I definitely do see that. I strongly feel, that you are going to have an interesting year ahead. Will be doing, you will be going to be very much relaxed after the seriousness of this Prince of Autumn. I do see many surprises awaiting for you all in the year 2021. So just get excited for it. For a lot of you, I am also receiving the message that a very rewarding and joyful relationship is about to begin in 2021, around February or maybe in March. It could be a new person coming into your life, or a new phase of emotional intimacy with your partner in the current relationship. Also, I do feel some of you would be thinking of buying a new home next year around March 2021, and you will find it too. For some of you, I also feel this card as an awakening to new spiritual insights in your life. The guidance is to please throw away your conventional ways of working and thinking. Make the most of this time and take interest in all kind of new opportunities. Just be ready and open for the changes. I'm definitely seeing, a beautiful time coming ahead in your life. Now, coming to the third card, again, beautiful card. So this is the ultimate potential for the upcoming year, and the Wheel of Fortune, actually very beautiful. So this is actually the wheel, but this is also called as the Wheel of Fortune. So all I want you to tell is, you just roll with the changes. Just roll with the changes, dear. I do see new beginnings happening here, and these changes are going to be the part of your destiny. This is, a part of your destiny. Whatever has happened was part of your destiny to make you learn few lessons. These new beginnings, like I said, are part of your destiny. Just know this. Like I said, to make the most of the upcoming year, the more willing you are to push for change, the better. Remember, we create our own luck, and with the wheel here, the fairies are telling you that all your delays are going to be over now, and whatever you hoped for is coming your way. So beautiful. Such a beautiful message. The universe, the angels, the fairies, all are blessing you. The most magical time, full of happy synchronicities, of time, fortune finally smiling on you. Make sure to keep up with the momentum. It won't be a time to slow down. Like the upcoming 6 months, it won't be that time. You have to be in your high spirits at this point of time. So make sure that you surround yourself with positive people who keep you cheer up and applaud for your success, new beginnings. I also see a lot of people investing in buying a new car, or maybe planning for new travels or going on trips. So shining stars, that's all I have for you now. Just stay grounded and focused, stay optimistic. Make sure to make the most of these new beginnings, and It's going to be the time to get, moving again with high spirits in life, and you will shine. Nothing can stop you. This is a part of your destiny, so just get excited for the some happy times. Have a magical birthday, sending you all the divine love, light, peace, blessings and abundant energies. Thank you so much for watching the video. Please do not forget to share it with your friends, family and loved ones. Do drop in your date of birth in the comment section below to know more about your personality number. If you would like to take a personal tarot reading session, then you can connect through my Instagram handle mentioned in the description box below. Thank you and namaste.